Yeah, good evening to one and all. Myself, we Danny. Okay, today onwards we are planning to Django sections. Okay, with Python. This is the only online training only. Okay, if you are interested in Python, also our channel providing the latest Python videos. Also, I will give the uh, Python videos links in description, right? Yeah, today is the Django. Okay, today onwards like 40 to 45 hours I will complete the entire Django sections with authentication. Okay, how to create the admin panel and user panel, how to activate the user, okay, how to register the user, how to log in the user. Based on the register credentials we are login the input credentials same. Okay, without registration login form is not valid. Okay, after completing the registration the admin is must and should activate the details, otherwise you can't to login. Okay, I will show the in hands of experience coding also. Okay, before going to our Django sections I will explain little bit for me. Okay, see, yeah, myself is Vidanaya. My qualification is MTech in Computer Science Engineering. Okay, coming to my experience, 2+ years experience in Python developer as a data point info solutions. It is located in Hyderabad. Yeah, every week, okay, every week Saturday I will upload the one IEEE based projects. Okay, based on the machine learning, deep learning, or NLP techniques. Okay, based on the problem statements, I will upload the one video in this channel. Okay, my teaching experience is I am deal the some different engineering colleges like project training and development. Okay, as a simultaneously I am working in data point. Simultaneously I deal the some projects. Okay, like machine learning projects as a academic level, BTech, diploma, MTech, MCA projects also we are developing. Oh, like uh, we are providing the one extra feature is to publish the paper different journals. Why? Because of right now JNDUK, Kakinada or Hyderabad or Anantapuram, right? Any university is asking the BTech final year project must and should publish the your base paper. Our channel and our team provide the this facility also. Okay, don't worry, this is the about for me. Okay, coming to our Django sections. Yeah, first, what is Django? Okay, what is Django? Next one, why we are using the Django framework? Okay, why we are using the Django framework, right? What is the prerequisites to learn the Django? What is difference differences between the Flask framework and Django framework? Okay, after that, like how to install the Django and how to install the Python and how to install the VS Code. Okay, if in case your system having the like latest versions or different versions, first uninstall the all the softwares and after that how to install the softwares. If you have yours like in your system having the VS Code like or PyCharm or Sublime Test, okay, and Python ideally and Django. If you having the that softwares, that is the enough for you learn the Django framework. If in case the Python and Django and VS Code is not there, if in case not available or not proper the settings path, you will reinstall the again. Okay, I will show the that one also. Why? Because our entire course is to develop the project in in only three platforms. That one is the Python and Django and VS Code. Okay, Python is the backend tool. Django is the backend framework. Okay, what is the backend framework? What is the front end framework? Right? Yeah. Today's section I will cover the these five concepts. Okay. First one is the what is the Django, right? What is the Django? Django is the high level. I will write the shortcut. If in case anyone having the notes, I will upload the my entire PDF notes. Okay, easy. But why? Because I am writing the each and everything in detail in this notepad. It will take the more time. But our main focus is to develop the project in practical way. Okay, not theoretical way. That's why I am not telling the any theoretical way. Why? Because of you are searching the any Google or Chat GPT or Cloud AI, it will give the large amount of content. Okay, but hands of experience is less. Why? Because of you are writing like Chat GPT is give the some code, but you can't understand like which line is which purpose. Okay, which module is which purpose, which sentence is which purpose, you don't know. That's why I am explaining the each and everything in practical way. Okay, I will also, if in case concept is required, I will must and should explain. Okay, if in case not possible in this video, I will explain the next video also. Okay, don't worry. Right, what is the Django? Okay, what is the Django? Django is high level Python web framework. High level high level Python web framework. Okay, this is the first point. Django is the high level Python web framework in backend. Okay, bracket. Sir, what is the high level Python web framework, sir? High level. What is the high level? Means high level means it will provide the number of default modules or default functions. That's why Python Django is the high level Python web framework in backend tool, not a front end tool, backend tool. Right. Okay. What is the Django? Django is the high level Python web framework. Okay. Web framework. This is the web framework. This is the backend tool. Otherwise, this is backend framework. Backend framework. Right. Next one is the why we are using the Django framework. Why? Because in this right now we are developing the small websites and big websites like Django. It is easy to easy to develop the project in certain time only. It will take why? Because we are providing the Django providing the number of libraries. Okay, that's why Django is preferable compared to like Flask. Why? Because a Flask is the lightweight. Okay, some modules are not available in Flask framework. Flask also one of the framework, but we are developing the academic project. We are using the Flask framework. Okay, this is the lightweight Flask. Okay, Django is the more weight, and second one is the second point is the Django. Like Django is good documentation. Okay, the good documentation purpose is the documentation is good. It will, if in case you got the any error, you will open the documentation and find out the error. Like after that, easy to solve the error. Like if in case you are using the front end framework like React JS, Node JS, okay, JavaScript, this is the front end frameworks. Okay, right, this is the front end framework. Here one of the question is like what is the back end framework and front end framework? Front end framework is only like provide the like user interactive pages only, web pages only. Okay, if in case like I will tell the or I will take one example and explain like clearly. Okay, right. Like I have one registration form, like I will fill the all credential like username, password. Okay, after that like my mobile number and my contact number. Okay, after clicking the submit button, it will just erase the all input credentials but not store the any database. Okay, this is the front end like React JS, okay, Node JS, like JavaScript. But in Django framework, once we are entering the input credentials, after that you are entering submit button, it will automatically store in the database. Okay, sir, how? Yeah, this is an exact good question. Why? Because, sir, you are telling the front end framework and back end framework. Some examples, but how to show the difference between the back end framework and front end framework? I will show the like further classes. Don't worry. Okay, right. But you know why? Because already like you are learning the Django sections, you will must and should some knowledge in Python and web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? But you don't know the Django. Why? Because of all of the students right now learning the Python web backend tool. Why? Because Python is the easy to learn and easy to understand, easy to build the code. Yes or no? That's why all are learning the Python. And another thing is the right now in market like data science is the popular technology in IT sector. Like you can go any startup company, otherwise you can go any MNC company, those are asking must and should you know the Python or not. Why? Because you know the Python, you can go the multiple ways. Okay, like SQL developer, data engineer, data scientist. Okay, full stack developer or Python developer or backend Python developer or front end Python developer. You can get the multiple ways. Okay, don't worry, sir. Like another wise, the Django is the more security compared to Node.js, React.js. The Django is the more secure framework to maintenance, also very easy compared to different technologies. Like it will develop the project is quickly process. Okay, why? Because we are the Django provides the different libraries, that way it will develop the less time. Like client is asking the one module or one functionality, it will develop the like 1 or 2 days. That's enough to make the code. Okay, right. Why we are using the Django framework? Okay, why we are using the Django framework is Django is high secure. Okay, Django is high secure. High secure means to avoid the commonly security mistakes. Okay, Django to avoid many commonly security reasons or mistakes. Second one is the scalable, right? Scalable means to maintain the large tariff. To maintain the large tariff, that means like we are using the small web pages or big web pages, it will easily handling them. Okay, that's why that is the maintain the large tariff. Okay, sir, like we are learning the Django, what is the prerequisites? Like basics of Python is the enough to learn the Django. Basics of Python is enough to learn the Django projects and your system one ideally and VS Code platform to build the code. This is the enough for to learn the Django. Okay, this is the third question. Fourth one, what is the differences between Flask framework and Django framework? Yeah, Flask is lightweight. Flask is lightweight and low level language. low level framework, and Django is more weight, and high level language. Okay, the main difference is the lightweight and more weight and low level language and high level language. The differences between the low level language and high level language. High level language provide the number of default modules. Okay, low level languages provide the certain amount of the modules only. Okay, next one. What is the backend framework and front end framework? Backend frameworks are Backend frameworks are like first one is the Django, next one is PHP, okay, third one is the Ruby, fourth next one is the front end, front end frameworks, front end frameworks are like React, next Node.js, next JavaScript. This is the front end frameworks. React and Node.js and JavaScript is the front end frameworks. Okay, Ruby and PHP and Django is the back end framework. Right? Like guys, once again I will repeat. Like what is the Django? Django is the high level Python web framework. This is the back end framework. Okay. Like second point is the Django is good documentation. That means the Django provide the good documentation. Next one is the like free of cost. Okay, free of cost means to install the Django software it is free. Okay, that's why free of cost. Next question is the why we are using the Django framework. Django framework is the high secure. Next one is the scalable. Okay, after that, okay, everything is small websites to complex web applications scalable. Third one is the what is the prerequisites to learn the Django. Sir, like sir, any knowledge in IT sector sir, to learn the Django, any knowledge in IT sector is no need, zero knowledge, but you have basics of the Python. Okay, basics of the Python is enough to learn the Django. Like that, like functions and modules and basics of classes. That's it. If you have no idea about the functions and modules and classes in Python, our channel we are uploading the entire one playlist that is the basics of Python. Okay, like scratch to advanced. We are uploading the all videos like scratch to advanced level, up to advanced level, right? Yes or no? After that, like in your system having the one ideally, okay, Python ideally. Next one is the VS Code. Okay, that is the enough to learn the Django entire Django project, guys. I will give the promise. Okay, if you have follow the my entire playlist in Django playlist, you will learn the 1 to 1.5 years of experience to develop the projects. Okay, to build the websites your in own way. Okay, not in the like seeing the chart GPT code and copying the your file. That is the not correct. Why? Because of today is you are the survey, but after some days, after some years, you are not like one of the situations manager is asking which code is you are building. Like explain the each and every line of code and what is the purpose. That's why you will must and should catch them. That's why I am telling, like if you know, if you learn any one tool Django or Flask or like Node.js or React as your wish. no worry. But you must and should know the like basics, like which statement is which purpose, which line is which purpose is the very 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 important. Okay, like next one is the framework differences between the Flask framework and Django framework. Next one is the like back end framework and front end framework. Yes or no? Right. After that, I will check like if in case this is the our entire like poster. Like today onwards, I will start the Django sections with Python. Only online training. Okay, providing the free of cost in Navya IT Solutions YouTube channel. We have my website name is www.navyaitsolutions.com. Okay, our location is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, now I will check. Yes or no? Now I will check each and everything. Okay, yeah, yeah, guys, observe carefully. I uninstall the all Python and VS Code and my Django also. I uninstall the three softwares and after that I reinstall the newly. Okay, check it starting to ending. If in case your system is having the different softwares, just remove it. After that reinstall the again. Like how to do it, say, like I will show them. Wait, just click on the Windows button. After that click the CMD. Here just check the Python which IDL is, like which version is downloaded Python. Okay, my system is like downloading the 3.8.2 IDLE. Okay, after that just check the full form of the Python. Okay, same. Here also it will show the 3.8.2. Yeah, sir, but like my 3.8.2 IDL is how many locations are installed? Like how many locations are installed? I will check. That command is where space Python. Okay, it is like Python is located in installed in two locations. Yes or no? This is the wrong way. Okay, this is the wrong way. Installed in only one path only. Why? Because you are building the project like the PVM Python virtual machine is to not understanding the which location project is developing. That's why it is confusing. Okay, that time we will got the different errors. That's why first before developing the NA project, before creating the NA website, just check the how many places are Python is installed. Okay, like I will remove the each and everything. After that I will check the my Django version. Okay, that command is pip space list. Okay, I install the different modules. Why? Because I am building the projects. That's why my checking the my Django version is. Okay, Django version is 4.0. Yes or not? Django is available or not? Right. After that, I will check the my VS code. This is the my VS code, right? VS code is also having. Yes or no? Now I will remove. Okay, I will remove all those things. Just CMD. After that, where space Python. Next, control panel, programs, programs and features. Here above the navbar is like search function is available Python. Uninstall the Python. Okay, it will take the 1 to 2 minutes. Just wait. Okay, same way like Python launcher also remove it. Like once we are downloading the Python 3.8.2 or any Python ideally, it will default downloading the Python launcher. Okay, don't worry regarding this. Like in this section I will download the all the softwares. Okay, Python ideally, and how to install the Django. After that, okay, after installing the Django, how to create the virtual environment. Okay, how to create the virtual environment. Like the main purpose of the virtual environment means like the we are installing the Django or different modules without virtual environment. It will running the entire OS. Okay, it will running the entire OS means entire operating system. Like to processing the entire operating system, it will take the some time. Okay, it will take the some time compare it to virtual environment. Like the main advantages of the virtual environment is to create the virtual environment, to install the packages that environment only, without environment not available in the packages. Okay, if in case you are installing the django like a django module in venv virtual environment folder, after that we are running the django project, you must and should activate the environment. Yes or no? Understanding or not? Like what I am saying means, okay, just wait, I will show the each and everything, just close it. After that uninstall the python launcher also. Okay, right now just copy it, open the files. Next one, C drive. Here, paste the location. Here, search in the Windows. After that, copy the this path also. Okay, now I will check. Okay, no Python is available right now, right? Now close the all modules, all tabs. Just refresh it. Once again, I will check. Okay, Python is there or not? Python is not available. Yes or no? Python also not available. Here I will check the where space Python. No, okay. Here also not available. Now I will download the Python. Like open the your Google Chrome. Just here the Python official website is www.python.org. Okay, the latest version is downloads. The latest version is the 3.13.1, right? Click on here. The latest version is 3.13.1. Click on here. Next, open the folder. After that, double right click on the Python file. Guys, see this is the very important. If you are clicking the add path, okay, add path, it will automatically set the path. Otherwise, you will create the manually in environment variables. Okay, just here select the add path. Okay, add path dot exv to path. After that, install now. Okay, download processing is different, installation process is different. After downloading the your Python file, it will must and should installation to install the Python. Okay, after that to check the like which version is downloaded. Like I am downloading the 3.13.1, but like this is the downloading proper or not. I will open the my IDLE and check the cross check it. Okay, after that I installing the Django also, like without virtual environment, with virtual environment. Okay, here close. After that open the cmd. Okay, here check the python. Okay, previously here I am typing the py, it will showing the python 3.8.2, but now it will show the 3.13.3. Now Python. Here also 3.13.1. Like my Python 3.13.1 ideally is which location is installed. I will cross check it. Okay, only one location the Python is installed. Yes or no? Before one is the two locations are installed, but right now this is the only one location, that is like app data and local programs folder. Yes or no? Now I will check the Django is available or not. Any Django is available? No. Yes or no? Now I will installing the Django. Pip install. Okay, pip install Django. Here I will write the one notes also. Okay, the command is the open the cmd. Open the cmd. After that command is pip install Django. Okay, now I will check the Django is installed or not. Yes or no? Django is installed. What? Which one is the version? What is the version of Django? 5.1.4. Yes or no? Okay. Now, okay. Now I will create the one virtual environment. Okay. How to create the virtual environment means first we install the pip install virtual env. How to create the virtual env means. Okay, already this is the installed virtual env. Here type the virtual env. Okay, see. Okay, how to create the, like I will I create the one project. Okay, I create the one project and I will run the in local server. Okay, I set up the one project in Django sample project. Okay, after that I will create the one function and to pass the local server. Okay, our local system port number 2000 8000 port number. I will run the local server. After that I will pass the one message. Okay, right, how to pass the message? Just wait. Yeah, my project name is, I will take the new folder in desktop. Here my project name is website. Okay, after that open the folder, website folder, right here. Okay, in this place I will create the virtual environment. Okay, here I will create the virtual environment venv slash scripts slash activate. Okay, this is the before one. This is the before entire operating system, entire c drive installed modules are showing. Now, like in previous way I installed the django, that version is 5.4.0, right? I will check right now. Okay, here any Django is installed or not? Like not available. Why? Because of this is the creating the one environment, that is the venv, that's why not showing the django. Here I install the Django, right? Just wait. Okay, like the no differences between two, like without virtual environment. With virtual environment means like without virtual environment is to run the entire OS operating system, but we are creating the one virtual environment means it is the very easy to like time less advantages. That's enough. Like here I will once again check like the Django is installed or not. Yes or no? Here within the environment also Django is available. Without environment also Django is available. Now I deactivate the virtual environment. See here I will check the Django version. Okay, this is the entire operating system path. This is the virtual environmental location. Yes or no? Here also Django is 5.1.4. Here with environment also 5.1.4. Now, right. Now I will close the CMD once again. I will open the my CMD with project location. Here I will check like any folders are there. Like here in this website folder VENV folder is available, right? I will activate VENV slash script slash activate. Now I create the Django framework. Okay. Now what is the command? Here how to create the virtual environment means first install the open the CMD. Now command is pip install. Okay, pip install virtual env. After that create virtual env. Here name. Okay, by using the virtual env, the environmental name, you can use the any name also. Like I am just giving the venv. After that scripts activate the env, right? After that like how to create the Django project. Okay, how to create the Django project is the command is Django. After installing the Django, you can type the cmd Django hyphen admin start project and project name. You can use the any project. Like I am using the entire CSC department, that's why I am giving the my project name is CSC. Like same similar way our e-commerce project Amazon or Flipkart is the entire project. Okay, inside the applications are mobile phones. Okay, like home applications. Okay, after that laptops, earbuds, different are the applications. Okay, the once create the project is only once, but you can create the applications is more and more, you can as your wish, right? Same way I will create the Django admin start project name. Same here also I will run the command django hyphen admin start project name is like my project name is CSC. Okay, within the project, okay, you can create the applications within the project only. Okay, after that change directory website to CSC. Okay, after completing the change directory you can create the applications, right? The application creation command is Django admin. Okay, Django admin start app name is the ML. Why? Because of entire CSC department is having the different sub branches, that is the AML, AI and ML, machine learning, okay, artificial intelligence and cyber security, IT, information technology. Different departments are available in entire CSC department. That's why I am creating the one ML. One application is machine learning. Okay, after that, enter. Same way, I will run the command prompt also. Start app. Okay, after that, like that's after that I enter opening the my entire folders, like okay, my website, inside the website folder is CSC project, Django project. Inside the CSC department or CSC folder, one application is there, that is the machine learning. That's why I am opening the my project folder. Okay, my project folder and my application folder in entire VS code. Okay, why? Because I am linked with the application and project. Okay, that's why I am opening the entire Django project folder and application folder in VS code. Okay, the command is code space dot. Okay, this is the my project folder. Yes or no? Sir, like one sir, I have one doubt, sir. How to identify the project folder and how to identify the application folder means the project folder is having the settings.py. Okay, like this is the blunder identification. Okay, settings.py file. After that, application is having the models.py. Okay, models.py, CSC having the settings.py, application is having the models.py. If you have missed the any file, you can recreate the application or project. Okay, if in case any file is missing, okay, this is the default files. Like I already said, why we are using the Django framework, why not Flask means, if in case you are developing the project in Flask framework, Flask is must and should create the app.py file your own. Okay, but Django is provided, just run the two commands like create the project and application. It will automatically to create the some files like URLs mapping. Okay, like in these files I will explain the each and every file in details in further classes. Don't worry, like urls.py, like web server gateway, asynchronous gateway. Okay, settings.py. After that, admin.py file, what is the use of the admin.py file, like what is the use of the models.py. Okay, test.py is the testing purpose, views.py. Okay, we are using the in this file like to developing the project. Okay, only using the urls.py and settings.py and views.py. That's it. If in case you are interacting with the database or any database, MySQL or SQL, you can use the models.py. If you know the these four files, you know the minimum 50 to 60% knowledge, like what is the use of the settings.py. Okay, urls.py, models.py, views.py. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. To develop the project is the four files are enough. If in case you are hosting the project to buy the domain, okay, you can hosting the like web pro cloud. That time you can must and should testing purpose. If in case sir, I need my project, my website is testing, sir, it is working or not, don't worry, you can use the, you can like you can download the one module is selenium. Okay, selenium, we can like type the selenium project will automatically. Okay, it will automatically test all functionalities. Okay, that is the, don't worry. Now, like I create the one project and one application, so now I run the my project. Okay, what is the command? Command is python space manage.py space run server. The entire project, the entire Django project is the manage.py is the entire whole art of the project. That's why running the manage.py file. Okay, now, okay, after running the command, I got the one port number. Yes or no? This is the HTTP. This is the HTTP 8000 port number. Just I copy the port number. Okay, I run the my local server. Okay, if in case you have any local server edge or different, don't worry. You can use it. You can use Firefox or Microsoft Edge as your wish. But I am using the Google Chrome. Here I will paste the my port number and run it. Okay, here I got the one default web page. Yes or no? Here I got the one default web page is the installation worked successfully. Okay, the Django installation is successfully. Congratulations. This is the our entire web page, default web page. Here we can providing the different documentation, Django community. Okay, polling app. If you had any doubt in this Django, you can see the entire documentation. Okay, how to use the settings.py file, how to use the like models.py file, like how to write the code in models.py file, how to read the csv files, each and everything here is available. Okay, right, this is the my entire this is the our entire project default homepage right now. Okay, now I write the one function. Okay, I write the one function is to I am what I am saying in like starting class. I will pass the one http response. Okay, http response in go in Google server. Okay, in web browser. So that's why I am installing the like Django is the high level Python web framework. What is the high level Python web framework? Means high level is to provide the number of libraries by default. That's why see from Django import. Sorry. Okay, from Django HTTP. Okay, from Django HTTP I import the HTTP response. Okay, I import the HTTP response. I will use the that HTTP response. I will pass the one message. Okay, I will create the one function here like function based views. I write the function based views compared to class based views. Class based views are a little bit difficult. That's why I'm using the function based views. You can easily understanding. Def already you know like how to create the function in Python. Okay, if in case you have no idea about that, you can go to my channel, and my channel is I am providing the like basics of Python. That channel we are saying the only functions. Okay, functions concept is enough. Def my function name is like index. I pass the one request. After that return http. What is the message? Right, welcome to Navya IT Solutions. Okay, welcome to Navya IT Solutions. HTTP response. I got the one error. Why? Why? Because yes or no? Here, yeah, here Navya IT. Okay, this is the my entire function. Okay, I pass the one message is welcome to Navya IT Solutions. Now I refresh the server. I run the server. I got the port number already. My server is running here. Refresh it. I am not getting the any message, right? Why? Because you are creating the function. Well, the must and should call the function name. Yes or no? That's why here urls.py. Just first import the like already you know how to import the how to import the module. like right, like module input this like some from the Python file is which folder is located like ml, from ml import views, right? After that path, here views, in this is what is the function name, index. Yes or no? You can modify the, you can change the any single character, must and should save the code. Otherwise you can go the file, you can click on the automatic auto save. Okay, if in case auto save, here auto save, you got the, yes or no? I got the one like save already. My link is here available. I got the welcome to Navya IT Solutions, right? Yes or no? Guys, I am, don't worry, I can explain each and everything. This is the, I import the one HTTP response. Okay, Django provide the HTTP response module. That's why I'm the importing the module. By using the that module, I pass the one response. That is the welcome to Navya IT Solutions. Okay, welcome to Navya IT Solutions. After that, I run the server. Just click it. Now I can use the here I use the HTML tags also. Now I use the h1 tag. After that, center tag. Okay, now control S, again run the server. Our server is running. Yes or no? Welcome to Navya IT Solutions. You got the, like you create the one HTTP response or not? Where? Local server. Okay, if in case Microsoft Edge also, I will show it. Here paste the server. Welcome to Navya IT Solutions. This is the first response of the entire Django project. Okay, this is the first message, first HTTP response of the our project. Right? Welcome to Navya IT Solutions. Okay, like just what I am writing here. Just I write the views.py. Okay, I create the one function. In that function I am using the one HTTP response, that is the welcome to Navya IT Solutions. Right after that I am mapping the urls.py. Just I mapping the urls.py here, the calling the index. What is the index? Index is the function name, that's why I'm calling the urls.py here. This is the single quotes or double quotes. You can, I already used in double quotes here. Using the single quotes also. If in case we are running the multiple pages or multiple web pages, you can use the any character or slash symbol. Okay, why? Because if you're not mentioning the any character or any special symbol, okay, any slash symbol, it will default. Okay, it will open in the default. That's why I'm using the just running the server. After that, copy the port number and paste in the any browser like Google Chrome or web browser. Okay, Google Edge. I got the welcome to Navya IT Solutions. Okay, yeah. Thank you guys. Today is the I close the section. Tomorrow onwards or day after tomorrow onwards, I will create the section, and after completing the section I will uploading the our entire YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, I will give the my contact number in this video description. Okay, you can call anytime. Okay, 24 by 7. If in case you have any ideas that they are like I have an idea to develop the project, this is the possible or not. If you have any idea like regarding to machine learning or deep learning, okay, you can ask me. I will help you and I will guide you how to build the project, how to develop the project, how to find out the predictions. Like if in case your guide is asking like improve the little bit accuracy, I will help them. Okay, if possible I will tell, otherwise I will tell sir if it is possible or not. Okay, bye bye guys, have you, thank you.